Hello there.
Hello, lekker Bakkie, man.
Shall I ask you all the questions in Dutch?
You can try, mate, and see if we get anywhere.
Hoe heet je?
Hoe heet je? Ja, goed, dank je.
Okay, we'll do it in English.
That was meant to be a secret, that wasn't meant to be public knowledge, man. Jesus. Scott, let's keep it real simple.
Is it Scott Grills?
Scott Grill, yeah.
Is it, are you family?
We are related, yes.
From Bear Grylls, right?
Yeah, he's my great granddaddy.
That's why you're a survivor, just like me.
I'm a survivor, mate.
Nice.
It's a hard world out there.
What's your age?
I am 26. I work on the cars. I tell people what to do.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure stuff is organized and things are communicated clearly. And yeah, make sure the projects get out on time and everyone's done their work. Since the 1st of August last year.
Oh, it's short.
Yeah, short. 7 months next month. Previously, I worked for a company called Urban Automotive that supplies...
In the UK, right?
In the UK, yes. That supplies Absolute Motors with some of the kits that we build, such as the new 2020 Defender, the Bentayga, the G-Wagon, and a couple of others. And I heard about you guys through them and decided to get in contact with Kenneth. And a couple of weeks later, I was here.
Is that the only reason, or is there...
I have a Dutch girlfriend as well, yeah, so it kind of like swayed the decision, but...
So, sorry for all the guys who likes...
Who like the sound of my voice, thank you for that one. The silky smooth tones bringing you home. Yeah, sorry, but I am taken by a girl. Well, out here I don't drive a car, I have a bicycle, a fiets. These handy legs get me here, but back home I drive a Mark 1 MX-5, 1990. I'm simple, mate, I'm a simple man. So a Porsche Boxster or a Nissan 350Z, mate.
That's what you call simple.
They are simple. I could have whacked out like a 600 LT or something extravagant, but they're simple cars.
Yeah.
They're not high performance cars, they're like...
Mid-performance cars.
Mid-performance, yeah. They're what I'd call a simple car. So I'd raced go-karts most of my life and learnt like how to work on like simple engines and simple setups for go-karts, and then that was where the passion came from to work on cars. And I'd been in like the motorsports world since I was a wee bab, knee high. It's not really that crazy, but the A12 Superfast, the exhaust, just because of the sound, that high pitch like what is, yeah, blows your trousers off every time we do one, man. So that's probably the craziest thing. It'd be pretty cool if we had a pimped out MX-5 in here, man. That'd be pretty cool. Like the full works.
Mark 1?
Mark 1, yeah, nothing later, man. Mark 1, pimp it out, turbo upgrade, everything. Of course it is, man.
You have to answer.
We are living the dream. We are living the dream here. We get to work with cool cars, like it doesn't get much better than that. 3 supercars, man.
What 3 supercars would it be?
An A12 Superfast. Porsche GT3 RS. And a... We'll just put a 488 in there, yeah? We'll go with that, a 488. Netflix. Oh no, sorry, YouTube.
What do you watch on YouTube?
Absolute Motors, of course. The
Perfect.
only thing I watch, man.
Perfect.
Falafel.
You're
no,
a vegan,
no,
right?
it's not falafel.
You're vegan, or you're not?
No, I was vegan for 4 years. I'm what you call in the UK like a flexitarian now.
Yeah.
Where you just do what you want. So my favourite food. McCrocket, yeah. McCrocket.
Kapsalon, McCrocket.
Yeah, everything that I've tried over here is pretty up there. So.
Don't say MX5. No one will believe
no
you.
one will believe it.
No one will believe
Oh,
you.
it's true though. My dream car, actually no, it would be a 1969 or 64 Chevy Stingray.
Okay.
Yeah.
You don't hear that very often over here.
No, that would be my dream car, man. I think they are sick.
Cool.
The lines on them,
Not
the
fast
engine.
though.
No, but they just look and they sound cool. They look cool. When a project's not going the way it should be, and it's taking longer than it should, and things are being delayed and pushed back, it's hard to like keep your cool and stay composed and not lose it. Turbo.
Why turbo? You want it?
Yeah. Over here, I don't really have many, man. I like keeping fit. I like cycling my bike. Perfect country for riding your bike. You got loads of cycle paths and that. I like bouldering and climbing and yeah. Drive my dream car for it. You mean I'd never stop driving it? I'm always driving.
No. You gotta stop driving. But
Okay.
you've got one car for the rest of your life, and that's your dream car.
No, I'd just never go to the barber. What the fuck's a Trabant?
I'll show you. So, this is a Trabant. Yeah. So it's really basic. It's got nothing.
I'd be super rich and have the Trabant because you could pimp the shit out of that, man. Oh, flying carpet, man. No, flying carpet.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't really like the water, man.
Can you move a little bit to the right with your chair? If you're gonna hang like that.
You want me to hang?
No, I want to just sit back.
Can relax.
You want me to hang that way? Or you want me to sit in the middle?
So then turn it. Yeah, but then shove it.
Oh my God.
Thank you, Scott.
No worries. It's been a pleasure.
Great.
Thank you.
See you later. Have a good evening.